Welcome back to Curious Can. Today's video is going to be huge because I'm not showing you how to get one, not two, but 5 custom domains completely free. Let's jump straight in. Step 1. Claim your free domains. First, open the first link in the description. In the search box, type any name you like to check availability. If it's available, click Login to claim. Choose the email option, then click Sign Up. Fill in your details and submit. Important, the OTP usually lands in your spam folder, so check there if you don't see it. Enter the OTP and verify your account. Once your dashboard opens, click Register New Domain. Enter your favorite domain name again, tick the Terms and Conditions box, click Register Domain. That's it. Your first domain is live. You can repeat this process 4 more times because you get a total of 5 free domain claims. Step 2. Set up Cloudflare. Now, let's protect and manage your domain with Cloudflare. Open the Cloudflare link in the description. Click Start for free. Enter your email and password to sign up. During onboarding, click Skip. Once inside the dashboard, click Domain in the sidebar. Click Onboard a domain. Now, copy one of your newly registered domain names. Paste it here. Don't change anything, just click Continue. Scroll down, choose the free plan, click Continue to Activation, then click Continue again. Step 3. Update Nameservers. Cloudflare will now give you 2 nameservers. Copy the first nameserver, go back to your domain's DNS settings, click Edit, paste it there, copy the second nameserver, paste it in the same way. Now click I updated my nameservers. Wait about 1 to 2 hours. After that, your domain will show as active and protected by Cloudflare. Step 4. Add DNS records. If you want to connect hosting or apps, go to the Records section. Here, you can add A records, CNAME records, and more. But now, let's do something powerful. Email routing. Click Get Started. In Custom Address, type any name like Contact. In Destination, enter your real email address. Click Continue, then click Add Records and Enable. Done. Now, any email sent to contact@yourdomain.com will automatically forward to your original email. You can create multiple aliases the same way. And that's it. 5 free domains protected by Cloudflare with custom email addresses, all without spending a single dollar. If that's not worth a like, I don't know what is. Subscribe for more powerful web hacks. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.